how to add or remove a page in the control center on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then in here, to add in a new page, you want to tap on the add button. Then once you're in the edit mode, just continue to scroll down. So swipe up to go down until you see there is a new page. Now, as soon as you scroll down, then it will automatically create a brand new page for you. From here, you can add in a control. And once a page has a control in it, you can continue to scroll down to add in another page. So as long as the previous page has a control in it, it will allow you to create a new page. Now to delete a page, you want to go into an edit mode. So in the control center, tap on the add button to go into the edit mode and then go to the screen page that you want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this page here. Simply remove the control. Once the page has becomes a blank page, it will automatically get deleted. So that is how you can add in a new page or remove a page in the control center. Now you may want to make your control center nice and clean. You might not necessarily want this extra connectivity control or the music control, in which case you can simply just remove it. And here I can remove this as well. So I will just have a single a single control center page. So there's no additional page to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.